Hello guys and welcome. We have another repair video for you. HP Omen, a beast, a monster. i7 RTX 144 refresh rate. Yeah, this is a great laptop. I like it a lot. Yeah, doesn't power on. I don't know if it's charging. I would guess not. Yeah, we have a little boo-boo here. Yeah, I guess it fall down. Yeah, fall down and it knocked the corner off. Yeah, and the charger. Oh my god. Look at this. 330 watts, the same as the Sorin had on his video, last video. And it's funny, you know, every time he does something, not every time, but a few times it happened. He does something, he repairs something, I got the same fault, you know, the next day. Or something crazy like this, and then I got it. I don't know what that is all about, but yeah, it's funny. I mean, this is a proper charger. I see something here. Is it rust or chocolate? Yeah, it's not rust. This is damaged here also, just noticed. This thing had to cost a fortune when it was new. We are in. What is this? Green, red and orange. Green, red and orange what? The battery is disconnected, and that's always a good sign. Do we have two drives in? No, just one here. Can we spot any damage just by looking at it? Nah. I mean, look at the charger connector. It has like 10 positive wires and 10 negative. Crazy. Yeah, let's measure the main power rail. Where can we find the main power rail? Sorry about that. Beeper. It is working here with ground. That's like not good. 0.28, 0.25. We have a problem. Where else? Here? No, here? 25, 26. Other side is fine. Here? 25, 24, 26, 27. Unfortunately, we have a dead short on the main power rail. Let me take the heatsink out so I have more room. Where is one? One, two. What is this? Something fell out. The other one of that, what is that? Some kind of standoffs? Huh? I mean, this is where the screws goes for the cover. Well, four, five. Are you going? No? Yes, you are. Okay. What are we looking at? This coil can be good. This is somehow high. Isn't that high? Like 38. Okay. This should be close to 0, right? We have a lot of those. This, okay. This one, okay. This is fine. What about here? Should have 5 volts and 3 volts here. Yeah, it can be good. So the main power rail again. Yeah, it's here, right? 27, 25 for 2, yeah. So we are using the thermal cam and injecting some voltage. But I wanna find the best spot to do that here. 15. Yeah, here maybe, or maybe here. 14, 13. Like 0.2. I mean, this is so low. Yeah, I don't know. So here. Let me check under the microscope so I don't mess something up. Microscope. Big track coming right where? Right here. Or here. So yeah, we are safe here. Let's do it. Let me prepare the thermal cam and then we can play with some current. The thermal camera is here. Okay, let's prepare the power supply. Second channel. We're gonna go 0.8 volts, 0.8, and we are gonna go 2 amps. Okay. We need a ground. We can take it from the HDMI port here. Smack it in. Power on the channel. We are going here to test on the ground pod. Yeah, 2 amps. That's fantastic. Let me roll it up a bit. Power in now. Yeah, 2 amps. Two amps. Nothing. That is too bad. Huh? Oh, sad. Yeah, can't spot anything. Oh, huh? What? Nah. Oh man. Yeah, look at this. It's this one. It's like contact for the ground. Oh. Ah, it gave me hope. Do it again. No. What is here? Where? Here. Yeah, it's the metal again. Okay, we are drawing like 2 amps. Whole 2 amps. Let's go 3 amps. 3 amps. Yeah, 3 amps. Holy moly. Anything? Yeah. What is that? What is that? Over here. Yeah, it can be the capacitor. Oh my god. Macro lens, focusing on the area here. Power on. Huh? Grabbing my tweezer. Here. It's a capacitor. Huh? This one. Oh my god. Yes. Microscope. Oh, feels good, man. Yes. Let's put some alcohol and let's play with alcohol. My favorite game. Okay, a little bit. Yeah, like that. Coming with a lot of power. Yeah, barely. Oh, yes. Let's take it out. How can we do it? This is, you know, plastic. Should we do it with the soldering iron? Yeah, why not? Why not? I go like this and just take it out. Huh? Can we do that? Or maybe with this tip. Oh yeah, this is better. Like that. Yeah. Little bit of flux. All right. And nothing. Come on, man. Yes. Good. Put the capacitor down. Clean the solder iron. Fresh flux. Can we soak the solder from with the iron? Yeah. Yeah, it's a thick board. A Q-tip. Oh, I don't like that. What is here? A bridge? Come on, man. Okay. Turning off the power supply, putting the probes away so we don't accidentally use it as a multimeter. We can measure now where we inject the voltage. We have no short, huh? Here, that's ground, right here, 500 here, 500. We are lucky. This time we test. Let me blow this up a bit and I'll be right back. Okay, the heatsink is in, we can test. Let's find the plug. Yes. Right, fingers crossed. Let's do it. Channel 1, 20 volts, 5 amps. 5 amps. Yeah, 1 amp. Okay, let's see. Okay. Pressing the power button. Nothing. It's my dodgy charger for sure. Yeah, okay, let's use the customer charger. Okay. Plug it in. We don't have the LED on. That's fine. Power on. It is coming on. The fan is spinning. We have picture. Yes. CMOS reset. Yes. What do you say about that? Huh? That's fantastic. What is here? It's just dirty? Yeah. Any picture? We have the LED on. Yes. No bootable device. Great. Okay. Let me change the thermal paste. We're gonna put way too much. Okay. Sorry about that. So how are you supposed to take out the heatsink and put it back in? So you have the numbers. Should I go 1, 2, 3 or 7, 6, 5, huh? I'll go 7, 6, 5. If you know, put it in the comments down below. Because you cannot go 1, 2, 3 when you're taking it out and then same when you're putting it back in. Doesn't make any sense. Okay. Hard drive. Samsung. Yeah. Everything is nice on this one. Can't see. I cannot see. Yes, just like that. Put the screw in. Fantastic. Battery. This is stiff. No, can't do it. I need to take the battery out. Okay, let's do that. Up. Gingerly. Okay. That was kind of rough. I want to put at least 2 screws so the battery doesn't fall off like it usually does. That's not good. Okay. Yeah, we are missing a few screws, but doesn't matter. My charger, the customer charger. Plug it in. Okay, we have the orange light. Can you see it? Yes. And now power button. It is coming on. The fan is spinning. The left one. The CMOS was reset again. Yeah, because we don't have the small bias battery. That's fine. Enter. And now we wait. Ah, this is great. I'm still waiting. Oh man. Yes. I mean, taking out the shorted capacitor is like the best. The best job you can get. Why? There's no capacitor. No shorted capacitor, right? Gamer. Holy moly. A lot of stuff on the screen. But yeah. Fantastic. Huh? What do you say about that? Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you like this, press the like button. If you didn't, press the dislike button and consider subscribing, you know. It means a lot. We gotta get to the 1,000 mark. That would be awesome. Oh, I'm so happy we saved this one. It's a beast. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye. And yes, of course, if you want to support the channel, maybe you need some soldering wire, maybe a tweezer, or any of the tools that I use here, you can check the links down below. They are affiliate links. I do get a small commission. So if you feel like doing that, yeah, it would help a lot.